Hi, good day and welcome to another video. So today's video we have a situation with the music. After 3 days hooking up the sound maggots and running all the mid-range to the Rockford Fosgate, we realized a situation had occurred. I'm going to start the vehicle and you're going to hear what it is. Okay, so the van is on and running. The music is paused and the volume is off. If you all notice, the front, the positive is off. Listen to this. It's off. I'm going to put it again. So if you notice, the rear speakers, let me show you what I mean. So these two speakers here, if you could adjust, these two speakers to my right and the tweeter is on the rear, and these two to my left and the tweeter is on the front, right? So as we come back to here, we notice that our rear, no sound, and if we put in the front, we are hearing this. We are going to hook this BNC 6-inch mid-range speaker onto each channel and check. Same bridge mode. If we hook it up and we get a signal, we'll know that the front side of the amplifier is damaged. If we don't get any signal noise while testing out this 6-inch BNC, then it comes to the speakers. I believe 3 of them is damaged, only 1 is playing. So we are going to go through today and test each speaker and see. But for now we are going to do the test on the BNC now. So as you can see, we wired a fresh speaker wire which we're going to attach onto the 6-inch mid-range, which is also a BNC, and we're going to go through channel 1 straight to channel 4. We're going to also go to the bridge mode, make sure it's playing, and if we get any humming, we know the amplifier is damaged. If we don't get no humming, then we could say that 3 of the Timpano 8-inch is blown. Right now it's only 1 playing, and that is our rear. But to make sure, we are going to go through and do the test now. No humming. So we are going to check channel 2 now and hear if we are hearing any feedback.
Drumming, I was sipping, I was steaming. Drumming, I was sipping, I was steaming.
We are hearing the humming in channel 2, so we're going on to channel 3. So we're going to do the test on channel 3.
When we drumming, I was drumming, I was sipping, I was steaming. Drumming, I was sipping, I was steaming.
Channel 3 is sounding good. And last we're going to do channel 4. Channel 4 is also good. We are going to do a bridge mode in the rear and see how it's sounding. Sounding good. Now we're going to do the bridge mode in the front. Again, remember channel 2 is what having the humming. So let us see how that goes.
Singing about la 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 la.
are getting the humming in the bridge mode. So we came to the conclusion that one of the Timpano 8-inch is blown and channel 2 in the Rockford Fosgate is damaged. So we put all 4 speakers on channel 3 and 4 bridge. So with that, there's no humming, and that's it. So my next step is to take out the Rockford Fosgate, get it repaired, take out the 4 Timpanos and put it up for sale. I believe the Timpano is a very nice speaker, but it's for a small system. Can't work under a lot of power. I accustomed using BNC and 18 sound, and they hold up. I never had an issue like this before. So I think we'll be taking out the 4 Timpanos and we'll be putting them up for sale. So have a good one, everybody. Take care. Bye.